Hello rail fans, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft train tutorial. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and we're going to build this ballast regulator. And thanks to Railfan Kyle for requesting that I do some maintenance of way equipment and making this video possible. So let's get into it here. So when I went to make this, I realized I had nowhere to park maintenance of way equipment in my world. This big freight train's on the main line, and there's an Amtrak train on the siding. So what I ended up doing was coming down here by the back of the freight train, and I installed this little hand throw switch here, and I made this little spur line curving off so we had somewhere to park this equipment. So we're going to come here past the curve. Here's my attempt at a portable derailleur to protect the main line. And I'm going to come out to where it's all the way straight here to get started. So I'm going to start off here by building the big sweeper and do the brushes first. So I'm going to put a temporary block on the rails and get an upside down stair here. And I'm going to use upside down nether brick stairs coming 5 across the rails. Then I'm going to delete this block, swing around, and upside down stairs coming this way. Then on top of it, we're going to put right side up prismarine brick stairs, 5 this way and 5 this way. I'm using green because CSX's maintenance away equipment around me is this neon yellowish green color, but you could use orange or yellow or any color you wanted here. In front of this in the middle on top, a prismarine brick slab. Then I'm switching to lime concrete, and I'm going to make a row of 3 lime concrete, then delete the middle one. Spin around this way and put a prismarine stair in there. On top of the lime concrete, a black stone brick wall to be hydraulics. Then we're going to put 2 end rods off each of those walls coming this way to look like the hydraulic pistons. Then we're going to come on bottom of this here, and we're going to put 3 prismarine brick slabs across the bottom of those 3 blocks. Then we'll swing this way and we're going to extend out another row of 3. On the sides here, we're going to switch to lime green concrete and put 2 lime concrete in a column on either side on the outer edges. Then we'll put netherite across the middle 3. Then another 2 rows of 3 slabs on bottom and fill the top with netherite. Come around on the side here, and on the end, a column of lime concrete 2 high. Same thing on this side. Then we're going to take out prismarine brick stairs and stack them right side up like that to be the stairs to get up on it. In front of that, we're going to place a block of netherite on each rail to be a wheel with an end rod axle, and we're going to put stone buttons on the outsides of the wheels here. Now we're going to take out an oak fence, start here, come up 3, and we're going to come straight across this end to be a hand railing here. And we'll come back down to the bottom on this side. Over here we're going to come up 3, and then up 3 on this side. Now we're going to come up the wheels here, and we're going to put 3 rows of lime green concrete in the middle, so it's a 3x3 here. Then we're going to come in this corner here with a prismarine brick stair, and we're going to put upside down forward facing stairs there and in that corner. Then 2 prismarine brick slabs on either side. Then back to oak fence, come 1 forward and 1 sideways to the interior off each one. So it's like that, so it's kind of squared in. Then come on top just in front of that netherite here with lime concrete again. And we're going to put a row of 3 lime concrete on each side here. Then we're going to come on front of this and put a row of 3 concrete coming across. Above the lime concrete, a full layer of glass blocks coming around. There's not much at this scale we can do for an interior, so we're going to put a door across that gap and a lever on the other end for the driver. And now that the tiny interior is done here, we're going to switch back to lime concrete, and we're going to come on top of this cab here, and we're going to fill the whole 3 on top of the cab in with lime concrete. Then we're going to switch to prismarine brick stairs. And on this end, 3 of them upside down facing that way. And on this end, 3 of them upside down facing this way. Then on top, put 3 item frames across these stairs with glowstone for headlights and spotlights. Same thing on the other end. If you've never seen these things work at night, they have all kinds of spotlights and strobe lights on them. Then in each corner of the cab, we'll put a conduit to be strobe lights. Then 2 diorite slabs here for the air conditioning unit, and we'll fill the rest of the roof in with iron trapdoors everywhere we haven't built something. Now that all of the cab's done, we'll come around and work on this front side. Underneath here, we're going to extend out a line of 3 lime concrete, and I put slabs up there, but don't do that because I'm about to take them right back out. We're actually going to put polished black stone wall there and come underneath it and put one on bottom as well. This will be the first hydraulic arm for the side plows they use for shaping the ballast, and another column of 2 walls there. Then we're going to come underneath here with prismarine brick slab and fill in this middle 3 on bottom here. Now we'll swing around in front of this here, still with prismarine brick slabs. And off the bottom slabs, we're going to extend out another 3x3 here. Then on top of that, we'll put a 3x3 of lime concrete. Then on the ends of this, another column of 2 polished black stone walls on either side to be the second hydraulic arm that holds the side plow. Then along the sides of the cab here, we're going to put a grindstone and a flower pot. And we'll do the same thing over here, a flower pot and a grindstone. Now we'll swing around on top here, and up against the cab in the middle, we're going to put a single block of lime concrete. On this side, we're going to put 1 blue shulker box, and on this side, we're going to put an anvil. Put a single stair in front of the middle there, then spin around this way. On this end, we're going to put an anvil on the side here. Then we have to go in and get out a brewing stand here. And we're going to put a brewing stand in the middle here, and then a stone brick wall on the side. Now coming off that bottom layer of slabs, we're going to make another row of 3 prismarine brick slabs, and then we'll skip a block and have another row of 3 and delete that one you used for placement. This is where we'll put the next set of wheels, so we're going to go ahead and get what we need for that. So in that gap, we're going to take out a block of netherite for the next set of wheels here, and we're going to get a netherite on each rail with an end rod in between to be an axle. Then we're going to put stone buttons on the outside of the wheels here. Then we'll cover this with a 3x3 of lime concrete. On top of that, we'll put lime concrete in each corner of this 3x3. In the middle here, 2 anvils for the engine and a blast furnace in the front. Then in these side gaps, we're going to place a player head on either side for more engine detail. Then on this corner block, we're going to place a polished black stone wall and a trapdoor on top to be the exhaust. Then we're going to come in here and we're going to take out green carpet to cover the rest of it. Come on here and crouch so we can place green carpet over the rest of this whole top here. And just fill that all in with green carpet. Then we'll go ahead on this front here and place stone buttons on the side in a pattern like that. Same thing over on this side. Now we'll work on the side plows. So coming off the top of these black stone walls, place a polished black stone wall coming off the top and one coming up. Same thing here. These side plows are going to be in the stored upright position because this thing's just parked on a rip track. Same thing here, come off the top and then come up by one. Then we're going to put a row of andesite slabs across the top of them. Same thing on this side. Then here an andesite stair going this way. And then on these sides, an andesite stair going this way on each side. Then we'll come underneath here, and we have to get an upside down stair going this way, and an upside down stair going this way here. Then we'll do that on the other side for the other side plow. So come over here, get an upside down stair going this way, and get an upside down stair going that way. Now we got to do the front plows and its mounting, so come on the front here with a prismarine wall. And coming off the corner of the bottom line concrete, we're going to come 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on the other side and connect it, and then we're going to extend it out by 2. Come underneath with a polished blackstone wall and get one in the middle like that. And then we're going to take an end rod and have it coming forward. And we'll have it connect to a polished blackstone wall on that very front. This will just be a hydraulic detail. Then we're going to build the actual plows. Now we're going to build the front plows, and they're going to be in the folded up position too because this thing's parked. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to come stand on this center middle front wall here so that we'll be able to crouch and place stairs. So come stand on it, crouch, right side upstairs there, and upside down forward facing stairs right above them. Then we'll come on the side here and we'll make a row of 2 right side upstairs facing outwards and 2 upside down facing outwards on the side, because the plow kind of curves around this. Same thing here, a row of 2 right side up outward facing and 2 upside down outward facing. I tried to see what it would look like wrapping around the corner like that, but it doesn't look right, so I took the corner back out. And there we have it, folks. We've completed this maintenance of way ballast regulator in the park position with all of its plows folded up. And once again, thanks to Railfan Kyle for requesting that I do some maintenance of way equipment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.